Okay, we're going to put the rear clamshell pulley together with the clutch and the spring. And you put this on later, but I want to show you what I'm going to show you piece by piece how it works before I do it. Now in Hawaii they can do this with their bare hands like this. How they can do it, I don't know. They have some Samoans over there. These guys are so big, they're like 450 pounds of solid muscle, and they're faster than a speeding cheetah. I mean, the reflexes are just, I don't know. I wish I had some of that, but I don't. Anyway, I've taken the belt out. Now, one thing I want to say about the belts is this. Now, there is all kinds of different belts, okay? I have about 10 or 15 different ones. Stock, performance. In these belts, you want to look at them, and they will tell you which way the belt runs. Like your engine goes either to the left to the right or right to the left, and you want to follow the line right here, the arrow. That's where the belt is supposed to go. Why it's like this, I don't know. Different belts, you can use them universally either way, it doesn't matter. But you always want to look and check. Myself, I always like a belt that does that because it shows they spend a little extra time. Okay, now you want to wash your hands of any graphite or anything like this. What we're going to do here, it's very basic, very simple. We are going to put this spring on this rear clamshell pulley like that. Then we are going to take this cleaned clutch, and without the spring being there, we are going to compress it with this compressor right here until, just pretend the spring is there, that it comes right down like this, okay, and it fits right in that slot. Now a lot of times when you go to compress this and you turn it in and turn it in the clutch cage, it won't line up exactly, which is fine. It's just the way it is. What you want to do is loosen this up a little bit. If you have a clutch cage, and you want to slowly by hand get these marks right here. So I can do this. Get these marks to line up right here like this. Okay? After we get the clutch and the spring compressed in the holder, and it's all the way back here, then what we do by hand is we take the 39mm nut while it's in here and it's all compressed. We take this by hand and we turn it on here. Of course, it was not working too good for the camera. Wait a minute. I don't want it's not working right. Anyway, you go like this. Anyway, it goes like that somehow. It'll go on, and you get it on there. All you need to do is get it on there hand tight. You take it out of the cage, and then we give it a final tighten. And then your clutch is ready to go. So for right now, I will, oh, I know, it's because this isn't all the way down. That's why. See, like that right there. When your clutch is all the way in the cage and sticking out right here, it'll have that much thread left. And you just take the net will go either way, but you'll see which way it'll go. And you take it by hand. You'll be able to do it because the holder is holding the spring right there compressed. I got arthritis. Sucks getting old. Don't get old. And see, it'll go like that. Okay? You don't need to get it on there. You don't need to tighten it up in the cage. All you have to do is get it so the nut holds this from all this whole mess flying apart. Then after we take the clutch out, then we'll take the clutch wrench, 39 millimeter, or my socket, and then we take this, come on, and we will do the final tightening. After that, then we take the whole assembly and we just put it on the back of the rear axle. After we put it on the rear axle, okay, then this goes on top, just like that. Your axle will stick out right here a little bit, and we put a nut on it. Well, we're gonna put the belt in there first, but it's easy to do. I'll show you how to do it. Anyway, I just want to go really slow with this and explain how it works, so you can watch this 8 or 10 or 100 times and learn how to do it. Once you learn how to do it, it's real easy. Okay, I got to turn on some tunes and get this in the cage.